Hey there, welcome back to our latest adventure, and we have been driving all day.
Yeah, we left at 7 o'clock this morning.
And it is now 1:25, and we have made it to Cape Cod, Massachusetts. So I've never been here. You were here as a kid, right?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Yeah, so we'll figure we'll check it out, see what there is to see. This is the start of a 5-day road trip. We're gonna spend a couple days in Cape Cod, and then a couple days in Saratoga Springs, Adirondacks area on the way home. So we're gonna get checked into our hotel and take it from there. You ready?
Yeah.
Where are the lights?
I don't know. It is a little dark in here. This would be really nice. Oh, it's an indoor pool. Oh, this is sweet. Oh my gosh. This is nice. And I realize I am still holding my duffel, but...
Yeah, I can.
Put
Oh,
this back. Oh my gosh, I feel like we should get some big seats.
yeah. I had absolutely no idea that when I booked a room with pool view, it was going to be an indoor pool. What do you think?
This is like, I kind of want to get bathing suits so we can go swimming or something. This is really nice.
Wow.
Give a room tour.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Pretty simple room.
Yeah.
It was kind of hard to find the lights at first though, because they're not when you walk in.
A little dark.
Really nice. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Like a ledge, mirror. So this leads out to the first entrance. Oh, the lights on the outside? Bathroom.
Nice shower.
Oh, it is nice.
Ooh.
Very nice. But I think the biggest surprise was that door there that leads to the pool. And that's inside too.
The portal to the pool.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
But overall, it looks super nice. I like the decor.
Definitely.
So.
Oh, this bed is very soft.
Yeah.
Definitely a nautical vibe,
Yeah.
for sure, obviously. So yeah, I think
Nice.
we're gonna get settled in, unpack a little bit, and then look up some places for lunch, because I'm hungry. Okay, we made it to our lunch destination, as that dog will tell you, and it is Max Seafood. Super hyped, great reviews. Can't wait to eat.
Got the goods.
Yes. This is a
There
cool
we
place,
go.
like a little market.
Yeah. Like a deli, but seafood version.
Yes.
So this is clam chowder.
Spilled a little bit.
Oh, that's all right.
And we got a crab cake sandwich.
Nice.
Looks so good. So all their seafood is super local, they said, which is nice. And yeah, let's open this up and dig in. I'm going to take a bite of the crab cake.
Oh
All right, first bite. This is like a crab burger on the cake.
no! Is it good?
It's really good.
Really?
It's very fresh. It's not too like seafoody. You know that taste where it like tastes like the ocean?
Yeah.
It tastes really good and really fresh, but it tastes like meaty instead of salty.
Nice.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Oh yeah.
Same thing. Like fresh.
It tastes flavorful, not like salt water.
Yes.
Right? Like sometimes that happens. So I think we're gonna hang here and eat for a bit. Just finished our little lunch. So what do you think?
It was so good. So they don't have any indoor seating if you do come. So some people were eating in their cars, but they do have some picnic tables set up, which is nice.
Yeah.
But definitely delicious.
Good place to eat. So we didn't realize how nice the pool was, so we're gonna try to find you a bathing suit.
Yeah.
There's a cool surf shop up the road, so let's go check that out and see if we can find you a suit.
So a lot of the surf shops are closed this time of year.
We're in Orleans,
Yeah.
so just one town south of Eastham, and yeah, we're just gonna explore around a bit, shop, and figure out dinner.
Ooh, cold and raining.
Yeah, spit and rain. Oh well. Since it's so rainy, chilly,
Ooh.
I found a hot chocolate shop. So I figured it'd be good to just kind of
Yeah. I'm
get some
excited.
sweets, chill in the car, plan our next move. So it looks like we got to go in this way.
Well, it says here the cafe entrance.
Okay. cafe entrance. Let's see how we get in here. No inside. Order at the takeout windows on opposite side of the building. Okay. I guess we'll just walk this way. Found the spot. We found the heater. So what do you get?
Well, we got a small hot chocolate and then the Oreo Dream Bar. So
that looks really good.
yeah, I guess the hot chocolate has fudge in it.
Yeah.
Is what they were saying.
Well, so she's like, do you want totally dairy-free? I'm like, what would it be other than?
Yeah.
And there's fudge, so that's fine. I will eat the fudge. We are in from the chill. And we got...
It was pretty cold.
Yeah.
The hot chocolate. So this is the Hot Chocolate Sparrow.
I guess that's their specialty?
Yeah, I think so.
I would assume. So apparently there's a lot of fudge in it.
Yes.
And then we also got an Oreo bar. That looks amazing.
It does look really, really good.
Can't wait to take a bite of that. How's the hot chocolate? Good?
It's not like crazy hot, like burn your tongue hot, which was nice.
Oh.
I know.
Oh yeah, definitely you can taste the fudge.
Just called Oreo Dream Bar. Looks like a brownie, and then the Oreos, maybe chocolate on top.
Yeah, it's very soft.
Oh yeah.
It's not crispy. So what is it?
Not sure. Tastes maybe like cheesecake, but I don't know. I think I just got a bite of Oreo. Let me try. I actually don't know what flavor it is. Vanilla?
Let's see.
But it is very soft. Very sweet though.
Oh man.
It's good, right?
Oh.
Maybe like a vanilla mousse type of thing.
Well, it's definitely a brownie on the bottom.
Yeah.
And then melted chocolate in the middle. And then Oreo. Yeah, I think a vanilla mousse is a good way to describe it. So I think we're going to sit in here and defrost for a little bit. And yeah. So we are in the oldest general store in the US. It was a church in 1852. Just finished at the Brewster General Store. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Building's like 170 years old, so
it's really nice in there. They have everything, like powdered sugar to like tourist stuff.
It is very general.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
So we got a mini haul here. Yeah. So we got
the taffy for our friend Ron. He's the one that told us to go to this store. So we got some taffy. And then some classic scissors, heavy duty stainless steel scissors, because Pete broke my scissors, so he bought me.
I was using them when they broke. There's a difference.
Yeah. We got some stickers.
I like stickers.
For a collection, and then a pack of spoons, measuring spoons, because we don't have spoons that go down to this. It's 1/8 of a teaspoon, so they had a set there.
A perfectly random haul for
it is actually
perfectly random store.
It was really a general store.
So definitely worth checking out. So I don't even know what we're going to do now. I guess you'll just see us wherever we end up. Hey there, so it's a couple hours later. We did just some random shopping, tried to get our bearings, and we are both really hungry again. So we are at dinner at the Rock Harbor Grill.
Yeah, I'm excited. They seem to have a very, like, intricate menu, I guess.
So you'll see it in just a sec. Okay, just ordered. What did you get?
I got the lemon pepper cod.
And I got the Faroe Island salmon, and we were told we ordered the best things on the menu. So
I got pretzel bread.
Can't wait to try this out. Alright, got our food.
I got cod, lemon risotto, and broccolini.
That was awesome. We got some sweet potato fries, and then I got my salmon with Brussels sprouts and potatoes. Have you tried the cod yet?
But the fries are good.
The fries are good. We were worried they were going to be like sugar fries because it just had sweet, not sweet potato. This is so good. I like how thick the fries are. Like very crunchy.
Yeah, they're super good.
And yeah, both fish are like perfectly cooked. Mine's crusted with like panko and almost this peanutty sauce. That's like a soy peanut glaze.
I think honey.
Honey soy, yeah, it's super, super good. So we're gonna enjoy this meal. Okay, so it is a few hours later. We really enjoyed dinner.
Yeah, it was so good.
It was awesome. So we're just chilling by the pool, hanging out for tonight. Gab's gonna try some of the taffy.
Yeah, we're gonna get some more tomorrow.
Because this was supposed to be for our friend, but he's not here.
I think I'll go for classic. Maybe I'll go for green?
Okay.
Oh, blue, I guess.
Okay, go for it.
So, this is the Brewster Store saltwater taffy.
Yes, from the General Store. I really liked the General Store.
Me too.
It was
There's a
neat.
lot of stuff.
It's a good place to spend like a half hour.
Not even. Maybe
Not
like
even.
10 minutes.
Okay.
But
But
we
it's
don't have that much stuff.
It's a cool 10 minutes. Lunch was really good. Right? That was good crab cake. And then it was nice just driving around today. You know, we'll probably have to find a dentist tomorrow, but you know. How was it?
Good. Very chilly.
Ah.
Maybe we should get another bottle.
Okay, so tomorrow we're gonna head up to Provincetown. Unless we need emergency jaw surgery. Gosh. Yes. So, alright, I'll try it. First, I can feel my teeth. I haven't even chewed. There's so much sugar in this. My teeth are shaking. Like, ah. But you enjoy your first day in Cape Cod?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. So, another fun day tomorrow, and I guess we'll see you then. All right, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.